In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade Forex on Plus500. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to make sure that you are on the trade panel. And then there is a small drop-down menu here, wherein all you have to do is scroll down until you find the Forex, which is going to be this one. And the Forex is subdivided into three major sections: the major, minor, exotic, and if you want to have a Forex option, which is the most popular pair, is Euro and USD. Now for beginners, Euro and USD is usually a good place to start because it has a high liquidity and lower spreads. If you click on it, what will happen is that the chart panel will be available at the bottom. And you see that the green candles shows the price going up and the red candles means the price going down. If you think the price will go up, I want you to click the sell. A trade window will open and you will see the trade size, information, insights, and all I have to do now on the trade section, you can put in the amount right here. For example, let's say I'm going to put in a 69 required margin. Now, it's very important for you to set a stop loss. This limits your loss if the market moves against you. And of course, if you want to set a take profit, this automatically closes your trade when you reach a target. You can do that. And all I have to do now is click the sell button. At this point, you want to make sure that you have sufficient funds before you can proceed. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade Forex on Plus500. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.